second method to create a data frame. Creating a data frame using 2D dictionary having values in form of dictionary object. इसके पहले वाले टॉपिक में हमने वैल्यूज ली थी लिस्ट के फॉर्म में. अब इस टॉपिक में हम वैल्यूज लेंगे डिक्शनरी फॉर्म के ऑब्जेक्ट में. हाउ, व्हाट डज इट मीन? जस्ट हैव अ लुक इन द एग्जांपल. सो टू क्रिएट अ डेटा फ्रेम आई हैव import pandas spd. And first of all, you will create a dictionary. So I took a variable dict1 curly braces, and I will take the key English colon, and I will take another dictionary corresponding to this key will be, for example, I took key Priya 35, Riya 45, Rohit colon 15. Dictionary 1, comma, then I created a second key of this dictionary colon, and corresponding of Hindi key I will take the values. Make sure the keys should be same. Here I end my dictionary. So here you can see that I have created 2D dictionary which is having values in form of dictionary object. ये पूरी यहाँ पे एक डिक्शनरी है जो किसकी वैल्यूज है? दिस इंग्लिश की. और यहाँ पे हमने पहले एग्जाम्पल में क्या लिया था? लिस्ट लिया था. सो बाय दिस वे आई हैव क्रिएटेड दिस 2D dictionary. Now I'll create a data frame. So to create a data frame, I took a variable dir pd dot data frame, and I'll pass this dict1 I will pass this dict1 argument in the data frame argument. Dir to show the output. When you will execute this program, so your output will come like this. Your outer keys, that is English and Hindi, will become your column names, and your inner keys, that is Priya, Riya and Rohit, will become your index label. So here Priya, Riya and Rohit. So English 35, 45 and 15. Hindi 15, 35 and 35. So here you will not specify your index argument separately. Your outer keys will become your column name and your inner keys will become your index label. Now I had explained you, make sure that आपकी दोनों keys आपस में common होनी चाहिए. But what happened if the keys are not common? For example, in place of Rohit, I took Tina. So what will happen in the output when I'm talking about Rohit? So you can see that Rohit English marks is given 15, but here Rohit name is not there. So here in place of 35 it will show NaN, that is none value, and it will create another row with the name Tina. As you can see that Tina name is not here in the English. So in the English it will show none value, and here it got 35 marks in Hindi. So it will got 35. So if the keys are not matching with each other, then in place that none value will be shown, and your total number of index label will be equivalent to your total number of unique inner keys. What does it mean? आपकी Priya, Riya, Rohit, 3 keys. Priya already given, Riya already taken, Tina. How many keys are there? 4. So here you can see the 4 index label. So आपके index label आपकी unique number of keys के equivalent होने चाहिए. Now I hope students you are now able to understand this topic, that how we have created a data frame using 2D dictionary which is having values in form of dictionary object itself.